Welcome to Kankanai Words and Phrases Part 11. English to Kankanai Basic Questions. In English we say, can you check my name? In Kankanai we say, mobalin pakilamnagan ko. In English we say, is the water hot? In Kankanai we say, ay napudot sandanum. We say, did you cook? In Kankanai we say, nanuto ka? Did you water the plants? We say, sinibugam nan mula or nan mulmula. Have you arrived? In Kankanai we say, ay din matengkan or ay din matengkan. Do you have money? In Kankanai we say, waday pilak mo. We ask, do you love me? In Kankanai, ay ayatam sakun. What will you wear? In Kankanai we say, sino'y isuot mo or sino'y ibadom. Is this correct? In Kankanai we say, ay usto na? Have you seen my father? In Kankanai we say, nailam si tatang ko. Can I put my things here? In Kankanai we say, mabalin na ibatik nan gamit ko sina. Can you come tomorrow? In Kankanai we say, makaalikas bigat. When will they arrive? Biganda ay dumating. Who's your companion? In Kankanai we ask, sino'y gait mo? Have you seen my sibling? In Kankanai we say, nailam kapsat ko. Kapsat is sibling. In English we say, what do you want? In Kankanai we say, sino'y laydum. What do you need? In Kankanai is, sino'y kailangam. Can you give this to her? In Kankanai we say, mabalin idawat mo naon si siya. What is your favorite color? In Kankanai, sino'y paborito may kulay? What is your favorite food? In Kankanai we say, sino'y paborito may makan? Where do you live? In Kankanai is, panteteam. How old are you today? In Kankanai we say, pigay tawan mo udwani. Where will you go? In Kankanai, umayam. In English we say, can I eat this? In Kankanai say, mabaling kanak na? Is this yours? In Kankanai we say, ay ukam na? How much will I pay? We say, piganan bayadak. In English we say, do we still have money? In Kankanai we say, wala pa'y pilakta ko. When will you marry? Or when are you getting married? We say, pigan ka makiasawa. When is your wedding day? In Kankanai we say, pigan kasar mo. Why are you crying? In Kankanai, pagat man uuga ka or apay man uuga ka. Do you believe me? In Kankanai we say, ay mamati kan sakon. You want this? In Kankanai, laydum na. Where did you study college? In Kankanai, nan-eskwelaam si college or nan-eskwelaam si kolehiyo. Do you want more videos like this? Please like, share, subscribe for more videos.